GROW-VEMBER 2023. Today we're going to talk about the charity we're working with this month. We're going to talk about the giveaway that we're going to do, and we're going to cover some beard content over the concept of how to grow your beard. Now, I know that sounds like a really big topic, but essentially what I want to go over is when you first start, there's going to be some challenges mentally where you're like, I got a patch, I've got a slow growth area, I've got a weak spot. And I'm going to help you get beyond that and understand the perspective, but also some things that you can do. If that sounds good to you guys, please, real quick, hit a thumbs up on this video. And if you're not subscribed, you probably want to be subscribed for the giveaway, for future content, to go back and look at other content. It is all 100% free. So today, we are talking about the charity that we've been working with all month, and that is the MIU Men's Health Foundation. And we want to bring a focus and an assistance to men taking care of themselves mentally, physically, and just putting a priority on that. Not making excuses to say, oh, I can't go get a physical because I'm too busy. I can't get a physical because of money. I can't get a physical because I don't want to hear bad news. I don't need one. It's not broke. I don't need to fix it. Rub some dirt. No. We want to get rid of all of that. Go get your blood work. Go get your physical. Make sure if you have something going on upstairs that you're talking about it. If you need someone to reach out to, genuinely get a hold of me. I promise I'll be a good listener. If you want some perspective, I'd be happy to share that. You need to get rid of this man stigma of we don't take care of ourselves. No. We take pride in taking care of everybody, but you can't help people if you don't take care of yourself first. So this foundation is all about that. Getting guys help financially for their physicals, for their blood work, assisting them with the education of what it means and why we should be doing this. If you guys want to get involved, there's a direct link to donate in the description. If you purchase one of the collector items 2023 GROW-VEMBER shirts, 100% of those proceeds go to this foundation. That's in my wife's Etsy shop, which is in the description. And my wife Sam is donating a percentage of the proceeds from the entire month of her shop to this foundation as well. It's amazing. We're really going to help some people and change some lives. So thank you guys to anyone that's been involved. All right, we'll get into the content and then the giveaway because the giveaway kind of has to do with the content. So when you start growing, like I said, you're probably going to notice oh, I don't have as much hair growing under my bottom lip. My cheeks are real slow and a little bit patchy and light. Maybe I got a spot on my neck that isn't growing, and I got spots that are growing that I don't want them, and you're just getting frustrated because you feel like, I want a beard like on camera. I want that thick, full beard. Hear me out. Patience and healthy habits will make all the difference. There's so many factors involved with that. One of them's age. How old are you? Okay, noted. Understand that the peak beard genetics do not hit until, on average, 42 years old. I still have years left to go for my beard to improve. And then beyond that, how can your beard improve? As your health improves, your beard will improve. Genuinely. And a lot of guys reach their kind of better health once they are, let's say, retired, or their kids are out of the house and they're able to kind of relieve some stress, relieve some things that are just going on. That can all make a difference. Beyond that, even if you're just growing the beard now and you're like, Dan, I don't want to wait years. I want it now. As your beard grows, some of those areas that you feel like are problem spots are going to start to take care of themselves. Maybe they actually just start growing randomly at a different time. It takes a little bit longer. Or more commonly, let's say you have a little spot that's a little bit more bare, the other hair starts to fill in and cover it. Now, that all is just with using good wash, good oil, exfoliating, lowering your stress, drinking more water, eating protein, all those things we talk about on this channel. But there are some things you can do to aid and benefit that, and it's almost always internal, right? Diet, exercise, all that stuff, and hydration. But there are supplements, and we're going to talk about, we're actually going to give some away. I personally love the supplements from Beard Octane. I know who they're working with to develop these supplements. I know that it's in the United States. I know that it's high quality and it's the best for your beard. So there's 3 options from their website, and shout out to Beard Octane. The first one is Beard Fuel. This essentially is like a men's multivitamin with an actual pinpointing, not preference, but a pinpointing goal of doing the best for your beard. It's great for skin, it's great for hair, and it's just overall good for men. That's the Beard Fuel. Next up we have is collagen. Now, a lot of you know about collagen because of your joints and for your skin. This is also beneficial for your beard. I had someone reach out to me yesterday and said, Dan, I just finished like my second month of collagen. I've noticed a vast difference in my shedding. It's so much better. Is it the collagen or is it something else? This really can help with the shedding, right? It's at your skin level. It's gonna soften the skin. It's gonna nourish the beard better. This is really important, and you might see some additional benefits from like your joints. Now, I used to use a powder scoop version, and it was fine. I made it happen, no big deal. I like the capsules from Beard Octane so much better because they're so simple to consume. Rather than having to put it in, mix it, and then you just put this in, take a drink, you're good to go. And then the last one, probably the most well-known thing for beard growth, and that would be biotin, aka vitamin B7. This is the key for keratin production. That is your nails and that is your hair. This likely will increase your rate of growth for hair for everyone, every hair, every nail. You'll likely first notice it with your fingernails. And you'll say, huh? Yeah. As you clip your fingernails, you go by and you realize, wow, they're growing a lot quicker. I'm having to clip them more frequently. That's the biotin. Now, it's also going to make the rate of growth of your beard go faster, but also your head hair and some of you, you know what I mean? Some of you not so much. And then your back hair, your arm hair, your leg hair, it's going to make all of your hair grow. So if you're watching and you're like, Dan, I'm already a very hairy man. I don't need any more of that. Maybe it's not for you. But if you want your beard to grow faster, biotin is key. Now, it's not magic. It's not going to make hair appear where it's not already there. It's not going to make hair thicker and like just ridiculously healthier. That's other stuff. It's just going to make it grow faster. Now, keep in mind, when you do that, it can go through the life cycle or the hair cycle of each hair quicker. So you might see an increase in shedding because it's just going through that cycle more. That's natural. That's normal. That's okay. It's actually healthy. So these supplements can actually make a difference. I take them. Many of you do out there as well. Drop a comment down below if you've experienced not only this brand, but any brand with some kind of supplements for your beard and what were the results. Let us know. And I will say, when we first started this, Sam, my wife and I, we tried some from like a drugstore and it was like buy one thing of biotin, get one free. And I was like, this is garbage. There's no difference here. I genuinely don't feel like my beard's growing faster. I was measuring it. Oh, it was some cheap garbage that was from way across the other side of the world, and it probably just wasn't a good quality. When I tried Beard Octane, I was like, wow. I went from around a ½ an inch of beard growth a month to literally over 1 inch, and the major difference was biotin. So give it a shot. Read the comments down below, you guys. Into the giveaway, we're going to give away all 3 of these supplements, the Fuel, the Collagen, the Biotin, and a beard oil, and a beard wash from Beard Octane for one of you out there. If you're getting started, if you're a veteran of the bearding, all of this is good for you. But when you're starting, you need wash, you need oil. Check, check. These are also going to help out the health, the growth, and everything to go along with it. Very simple to get in this giveaway, you guys. Number 1, be subscribed. Number 2, you need to leave a comment down below. And number 3, there's a link in the description for a Gleam giveaway. It's just who organizes it, keeps it safe so there's no like cheating and stuff involved. We get the name, get the email to reach out to them. All you got to do, put your name, put your email, and you're signed up for the giveaway. We will announce the giveaway winner on Monday afternoon. It will be on the community tab of YouTube. Whoo! Let that beard grow, you guys. I promise, as you learn your beard, as time goes on, as you get healthier, it will just get better and better and better. Thank you guys for watching today. My name is Dan C. Bearded. Please stay bearded and stay positive.